XcelPlus Engine Treatment is the single application super lubrication. Reduced friction means reduced wear, temperature, noise, vibration, emissions and fuel use as well. Don't take it from me, have a listen to Geoff, a very happy XcelPlus client.
Well, it's a very simple product. All you have to do is put it into the petrol and into the oil system, so there's two parts to it. But for me, I own a Cerato, Kia Cerato, and generally speaking, the mileage they said I was going to get around the city never happened. So I was typically getting 11.9 to 12.3 litres per 100 kilometres. And as soon as I started using the XcelPlus products, I was getting 6.3 to 6.9 litres per 100 around the city. So for me, it's slightly more than half, slightly less, than half the fuel bill each week.
Gee, that's amazing, isn't it? So from that point of view, obviously it's working for your engine, but at the end of the day, it's saving you $1 as well.
Well, I've been using it for a year. This is not over a short period of time. So that's been consistent throughout the year. And so that adds up to many thousands of dollars at the end. And so I'm very happy. I mean, I'm not a user of these types of products. So normally, so I was quite frankly shocked. Now, I'm an engineer, so I meticulously measure everything. So this is my result. I mean, I think that this is a product that's unknown. If you want to save money at the Bowser, doesn't matter what the fuel price costs, you're just going to use less fuel. Why not do it? It would cost less than filling your car up with fuel. So it's a single cost. You don't have to. I've changed oil since then. It sticks to the within the cylinder, so you don't have to. You only need to one hit. It stays there for the life of the car.
To find out more about what XcelPlus can do for your engine and your bottom line, head to our website now, xcelplus.com.au. XcelPlus, cleaning up the planet one engine at a time.